Good morning, it's Saturday. I had my hair cut yesterday. As you can see, he's done it 1970s style. Not my usual barber, but anyway, I had to get it cut. Today we're doing a hob. The hob is a bit bigger, so I'm gonna have to cut the worktop. So I'm gonna hopefully be able to show you all of that. If you do the work and then find a leak, you're going to assume it's your work that's leaking. So before you do any work, you'd tell the customer, look, you've got a leak, we can't carry on with the work. That way you're not liable, because as soon as you do the work and you do a tightness test, they're going to blame you. Okay, so you do a tightness test first before doing anything else. Okay, so the issue with this one is a few of these aren't lighting. So the first thing I'm going to do is just unscrew this. I can already see the comments, whoa, you can't have compressions there. Well, yes you can, because it's fully accessible. All anyone needs to do is pull the drawer out and lift it up, and they have access to it. You don't need special tools, and it's not difficult to get to. I could get to that in 10 seconds. And accessibility is all about really if you need tools or if there's any difficulty to get to it, and there's not.
So with these, they have to be unswitched. Before I do a tightness, I'm going to turn this on and use LDF and my gas sniffer just to see if there's any leak in there. Time for the tightness test. Everything is off, so that's the boiler's off, so that it doesn't fire up. And we're just going to do our tightness test now. I'm going to do a gas rate. If you see it like this, you need to actually look from the top. So let's see if we can actually make it out. There we go. So that is the number there. And just check that that does move. But if you come this way, that's what it looks like. When you come that way. So what we're going to do is we're going to contact the supplier and get this changed.